Okay, to graph your inequalities answers, we're going to practice that. Okay, so this first example, x is less than -3. This is the less than symbol. The less than symbol looks like this. When we graph less than on our number line, we're going to have an open circle. Open circle means it's not using that number that it's on. And then we're going to have our number line go to the left, because these are the values that are less than this number. So what that looks like over here on this example is we have x is less than -3. So on -3, we place our open circle, because our answer can't be -3, because it's less than -3. And we shade in our values to the left, because those are less than -3. So this solution is all of these numbers that are to the left of -3. Okay, then we have less than or equal to. Our less than or equal to symbol looks like this. And this time we close in the circle. And we have a closed circle because of the word equal. So because it's equal, we close in the circle because that's going to include the number it's on. All right, again, this is less than, so the values to the left are less than. And the way that's going to look for this example is this is x less than or equal to 5. So we put our circle on 5 and we close it in because our answer could be 5. It could include 5 and everything to the left of 5. So all of those are possible answers. Our arrow on the end means that that just keeps continuing to the left. Okay, greater than or equal to. We have this symbol here, greater than or equal to. Because of the equal, we get a closed circle. Okay, so we're going to close in our circle. And this time, because it's greater than, it's going to be to the right, because all of the values to the right are greater than whatever this number is. So in our example, we have x is greater than or equal to 2. So on 2, we close in the circle because our answer could be 2 or anything bigger than 2. So we shade this in to the right and we put our arrow showing that it keeps going on for forever. Okay, greater than is this symbol. Greater than, it doesn't say equal to, so it's going to be an open circle and it's going to the right because that's all of the values greater than whatever this number is. So x is greater than -1. So we put our circle on -1. It's an open circle because it doesn't include -1, but it does include everything that is greater than -1. So we just shade that in, put our arrow that it is going to the right. So when we are graphing our solutions, we have our x on the left, then we have our inequality sign. If it's not equal to, we get an open circle. If it is equal to, we get a closed circle. And then depending on if it's less than or greater than, depends on which way that the line points. So if it's less than, it's going to go to the left. If it's more than, it's going to go to the right.